Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning how to increase the number of single crochets in a row. Increases are made by placing 2 stitches in a hole below where you would normally make 1 stitch. Basically, you'll be creating 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. So let's get started. To make the first single crochet, insert your hook into the next stitch under both loops. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Now, you should have 2 loops on the hook. Adjust the sizes of these 2 loops by pulling the hook up or on the working yarn. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Here's a pro tip. Make sure that the hook head is facing down when you're pulling it through. Great, you've just created your first single crochet. But for increase, you need to make another single crochet. So the question is, where do you insert the hook? Glad you asked. We insert the hook into the same stitch, and you'll know where the same stitch is because you can see the legs of the first single crochet hooked into that hole. So let's insert our hook into the same stitch, then yarn over and pull the yarn through the hole. You should have 2 loops on the hook. Adjust the size of the loops so that we can yarn over again and pull it through both loops. You've just completed your first increase. Now if you stretch the piece, you can see that these 2 single crochets are hooked in the same hole. Sometimes a pattern might ask you to 3 single crochet in the same stitch. This means that you make your first single crochet, then the second single crochet in the same hole, and a third single crochet in the same hole. And as you can see, we have 3 single crochet in the same stitch.